Hello everyone, Henry and Preston here in Charleston, South Carolina at the World War II German collectible store. And today we got a lot of helmets, but a lot of people when they come in here, they ask me about these two helmets. One obviously says BMW and the other one says Mercedes. I'm gonna let Preston take over and explain what these are.
Yeah, thank you, Henry. So what we have here is some nice examples of aluminum made factory helmets. So as the war progressed, the factories would get bombed and strategic areas would get bombed by the Allies. So, you got a guy in there manufacturing an airplane or a tank. Might be nice for him to have a helmet.
And you can see the insides here are pretty well padded. It's a very light helmet, so it's not like a combat helmet. This one has a gentleman's name on it on the inside of the liner. And I don't know, do you have?
This one has a name as well.
Yeah, but I picked them up at different times. I didn't buy them together, but I thought it was cool. One was the BMW and the other one was Mercedes. And since we get asked about them a lot, these are authentic. Just a cool piece of history. So thank you for watching.